When Peter turned 68, something strange began to happen. He noticed that carrying groceries felt heavier, climbing stairs left him breathless, and even standing up from a chair took effort. He thought it was just part of aging until one morning he couldn't even open a simple jar of peanut butter. That's when his doctor told him something shocking. "Peter, you're losing muscle faster than your body can rebuild it." It's called sarcopenia, the silent muscle thief that affects millions of people after 60. But here's the good news. A simple food, an ordinary egg, might hold the secret to reversing it. Yes, that same egg sitting quietly in your kitchen could help you regain your strength, restore your balance, and even feel 20 years younger. But only if you eat it the right way. Stay with me, because the way you've been eating eggs might be doing you more harm than good. And in the next few minutes, you will learn the doctor's secret recipe that's helping seniors rebuild muscle naturally, without supplements, powders, or gym workouts. Now, remember to like the video, subscribe to Green Health, and turn on your notification bell to get updates on our newest uploads. Why muscle loss after 60 is dangerous. After 60, the body starts to lose up to 3% of muscle mass every year, a condition called sarcopenia. It makes walking, lifting, and even standing harder over time. But here's the truth many seniors don't know. Your body still has the power to rebuild muscle at any age if you feed it the right nutrients in the right way. And that's where eggs come in. Why eggs are the perfect muscle food. Eggs are nature's complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that your muscles crave for repair and growth. Just one egg gives you 6 grams of high-quality protein, rich in leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle synthesis, especially important for people over 60. But the secret isn't just eating eggs, it's how you eat them. Because the wrong cooking method can destroy vital nutrients, while the right one can double your muscle-building benefits. The doctor's secret egg recipe. A senior nutrition specialist, Dr. Raymond Parker, recommends what he calls the Power Egg Meal. It's simple, affordable, and effective. Here's how it's done. The doctor's secret egg recipe, step by step. Use 2 whole eggs, not just the whites. The yolk contains vitamin D, choline, and omega-3 fats that protect your brain and joints. Add 1 boiled egg for extra protein with less fat. Mix with 1 tablespoon of olive oil or avocado oil, healthy fats that help absorb egg nutrients. Sprinkle a pinch of turmeric and black pepper, powerful anti-inflammatory combo to protect your muscles and joints. Serve with a handful of spinach or kale, rich in magnesium and folate to support muscle recovery. Eat this within 30 minutes after light exercise or morning walks when your muscles are most ready to rebuild. Biggest mistakes seniors make with eggs. Most people unknowingly cancel the benefits of eggs by doing these 3 things. Over-frying or burning eggs destroys protein and healthy fats. Eating only egg whites, you lose half the nutrients and muscle-building power. Mixing eggs with bacon or processed meats causes inflammation and raises bad cholesterol. Instead, go for boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled eggs, cooked on low heat with healthy oils. The powerful role of micronutrients, how the hidden nutrients in eggs repair and rebuild your muscles. Most people know eggs are rich in protein, but what they don't realize is that protein alone isn't enough to rebuild aging muscles. Your body needs micronutrients, those tiny, often forgotten vitamins and minerals that act like construction managers in your cells. Inside each boiled egg lies a perfect blend of these silent healers. Vitamin B12, which helps your body produce red blood cells, the oxygen taxis that carry fuel to your muscles. Vitamin D, essential for muscle contraction and bone strength, especially crucial after 60. Choline, which keeps your nervous system sharp, helping your brain communicate smoothly with your muscles. Selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects your muscle tissue from damage and inflammation. Why this matters? As you age, your digestive efficiency drops. Your body doesn't absorb nutrients as well as it used to. But eggs come in a form your body loves: easily digestible, highly bioavailable, and perfectly balanced for senior metabolism. Pro tip: Doctor's secret number 3. Pair your boiled egg with a slice of avocado or sprinkle it with a pinch of turmeric and black pepper. This combo improves nutrient absorption, boosts anti-inflammatory effects, and helps your body use every gram of that precious protein more efficiently. The doctor's secret egg recipe for seniors: the right way to eat eggs for maximum muscle gain. Here's the part you've been waiting for: the doctor's secret recipe that's transforming how seniors rebuild muscle naturally. This is not about eating more, it's about eating smart. Step 1. Choose the right egg. Go for pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched eggs. They contain higher levels of good fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds than ordinary eggs. Step 2. Boil. Don't fry. Frying eggs in oil, especially processed oils, oxidizes the cholesterol and destroys sensitive nutrients like lutein. Boiling or poaching keeps the amino acids intact and ensures full protein absorption. Step 3. Add a healthy fat partner. Healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K found in eggs. Try pairing your eggs with olive oil drizzle, half an avocado, or a few nuts. Your heart will thank you. Step 4. Add a muscle-repairing boost. Sprinkle a pinch of turmeric, black pepper, or ginger powder. These spices reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and support muscle recovery. Step 5. Timing is everything. Eat your eggs within 30 minutes after light exercise or walking. That's when your muscles act like sponges, ready to soak up every drop of protein and nutrients for repair and growth. Because at the end of the day, rebuilding your body isn't about age, it's about intention. Every boiled egg you eat this way is a message to your body that says, I still care for you, I still believe in you, and I'm not done yet. So, eat wisely, move gently, and love the body that's carried you this far. It deserves nothing less. Check out our previous video. Seniors never eat eggs with these 10 foods. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one.